Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Isn't it cute? Christmas card with this little robin. I absolutely love it. Robin is watercoloured. Now, I don't think I did too bad a job, but anyway, let me show you what I did. I've got everything set up on my Stamparatus. The first stamp that we're going to use is this one called Happy Holidays. I'm using the little robin. And I'm going to stamp him in Stays On ink because we're going to do some watercolouring. Okay, so we stamped it in Stays On ink. There we go. Here's our little birdie, all cute. So I'm going to set that aside. It doesn't seem to matter how much space I have. By the time I'm finished crafting, I'm always working in this tiny little area. Don't understand it, but it happens every time. So give that a clean and put that away. I'm just going to do my last little bit of stamping while I've got my Stamparatus out here. And this is just the sentiment. I mean, this time we're going to use this stamp set called Holly Jolly Wishes. And we're going to use Fa La La. So let's find it. There we go. And we're going to stamp in Cherry Cobbler. So try and get it straight, but we will be cutting it out so we can always straighten it later. It's not the end of the world. There we go. I'll have a little fa la 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 la. Close that up, and we're just going to give this a little cleanie. Put that aside so that we can make everything, put everything away so we can start our watercolouring. So stick that aside and then put our magnet away in its little home. Okay, so I'm going to leave this sentiment aside for now to dry and to do its thing, and we're going to focus in on our birdie. Now I'm going to take away my grid paper and find a place to dump it, which it looks like it's going to be the floor. And we're going to watercolour with our watercolour pencils. So let me get them out. And we're going to use our water painter, and we're going to use our water spritzer. And these are the watercolour pencils. They're set 1 and 2, and I'm going to use both sets here together. So you can see they keep them in my little Hogwarts pencil case. So let me put these just here out of camera shot. And then as well we're going to take a little, if I can find it, here it is, a little cloth as well. And I'm going to start watercolouring. So I'm just going to zoom you in. Yeah, so I'm going to start watercolouring, and I won't make you watch the whole thing. So I'm just going to put you on fast forward. I'm going to start watercolouring. I'll put you on fast forward and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so I've watercoloured a little bird and I've cut him out, and let me just zoom you back out again a little bit. And I cut him out using the rectangle stitched framelets, which are these lovely things. So I cut the bird out, and then I cut out a piece of this. This is the Tidings of Christmas Design Series paper. I cut out a largest piece of that, so we're going to map the two on that. And then our little saying I just cut out freehand with my trimmer, and now I'm going to back it onto a little piece of this Designer Series paper too. So let's use the Tombow to do that. just like that. And then I'm going to use my scissors and I'm just going to cut this out freehand. So long blade makes this not so difficult to do. Says me making a bit of a mess, but that'll do. Get rid of these bits. Okay, and let's stick down our robin. Just like that. And our card base here is thick basic white card base. That's A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece here again, the Tidings of Christmas Designer Series paper. And I'm going to mat this on top of this. So, whoopsie daisy. Just get that as straight as I can. Now we're going to put down our robin. Just somewhere wherever we want him to go, like that. Okay, we can close up our tombow because we've finished with that for now. And then we have here our sentiment, and I'm just going to put this with some dimensionals. Whoops. Well, everything's sticking to me because I've got a bit of tombow on me, I think. I'll just take the backings off here. And then we're going to put this in the corner so it overlaps a bit, like that. And then I've got here some of rhinestones. I'm just going to get my pokey tool if it'll come, and I'm just going to put one in each corner, or the three corners that are free. So it sort of looks like rivets holding it down, but shiny shiny rhinestone rivets. So they're the two cards. What do you think? I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about the project, the supply list, measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes the links to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club, so do come and check it out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.